Hello, everyone. Tell me honestly, how many times have you tried shadowing, got super motivated for a day, and then gave up because it felt too fast, too confusing, or maybe even pointless? Yeah, I've been there too. A few years ago, I was sitting in my room, repeating every English sentence I heard from my favorite YouTuber, trying to sound like them. But every time I opened my mouth, it felt like my brain froze. I couldn't keep up. My tongue twisted. My confidence dropped. That's when I realized shadowing isn't about speed, it's about rhythm, and rhythm takes time. So today, I'm going to tell you how I mastered shadowing, slowly, easily, and effectively, and how you can too. It was a late evening. I had just finished watching an English video about mindset. The speaker's voice was calm and confident. I wanted to sound exactly like that. So I pressed play and started repeating the words at the same time. Within 30 seconds, I was lost. The speaker was on sentence 5. I was still on sentence 1. I remember sighing and saying to myself, maybe shadowing isn't for me. But deep inside, I knew something was missing. Not in me, but in my method. The next day, I changed my approach. Instead of chasing the voice, I decided to walk beside it. I slowed everything down. Literally. I played the same video at half speed and told myself, this time, don't rush. Just listen. Feel the words. Let them sink in. And something magical happened. For the first time, I could hear every sound clearly. The way the speaker connected words, the emotion in their tone, the pauses between phrases. That's when I realized shadowing isn't copying, it's connecting. So here's what I started doing, step by step. And trust me, this changed everything. First, I listened. Before I even opened my mouth, I listened carefully 2 or 3 times. I tried to understand the meaning, the emotion, the flow. Because if you don't understand what you're shadowing, you're just repeating noise. Second, I slowed it down. I used to play videos at half speed. Yes, it felt weird at first, like the person was talking underwater, but it helped me hear every tiny detail. Third, I spoke with the speaker. Not after them, not before. With them. At first I mumbled, I messed up, I missed words, but I kept going. Slowly my mouth started to move naturally, matching the rhythm of English speech. Fourth, I repeated daily, not endlessly. I didn't shadow for hours, just 10 minutes a day, but every day. That consistency built my fluency far more than any long random practice sessions. After a few weeks, something beautiful happened. I caught myself speaking English without thinking about it. My pronunciation, sharper. My flow, smoother. My confidence, way higher. And the best part, I started to enjoy English, not fear it. One evening, my friend said, "Bro, your accent sounds so natural now. What course did you take?" And I smiled and said, "No course, just shadowing, slowly." So here's the secret formula. Slow plus consistent plus aware equals fluent. If you go slow, you give your brain time to understand. If you stay consistent, you train your tongue and memory. If you stay aware, you pick up the emotion and music of the language. And when all 3 come together, that's when real fluency starts. Remember, shadowing is like dancing with a new partner. At first, you'll step on each other's feet, but with time, you'll move in perfect sync. So next time you practice shadowing, don't rush it. Pick one short clip, maybe from your favorite movie, TED Talk, or YouTuber. Listen, feel, then speak, slowly. Because learning a language isn't a race, it's a rhythm. And once you find your rhythm, English becomes not just easy, it becomes beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If this story helped you, drop a like, share it with your friends who are learning English, and subscribe for more easy learning tips. Until next time, keep listening, keep shadowing, and keep growing. Bye for now.